Okay guys, this is our last pandesal here or dinner rolls na kinain namin for lunch. Ang naiwan na lang guys is 5. Hindi na ako nagluto ng aming dinner dahil heavy ang aming lunch kanina. Diba? Heavy ang aming lunch, so ang ginagawa ko na lang ay pakunti-kunti na lang ng kain. Half of the dinner roll or siguro tea tayo guys. Cheers! Try my dinner rolls. My dinner rolls, guys, is so yummy. So, in 5 cups, ayan gagawin ninyo. In 5 cups, add 5 tablespoons of sugar para matamis-tamis siya. So, ito ang dinner rolls natin. Matamis. Medyo matamis siya. At least, hindi naman siya yung very bland, di ba? Dinner rolls, it's yummy. Oh my, it's so good. Perfect for tea. Hindi ako nakapagawa ng video guys, so ngayon pahabol na lang ang ating. So since ang aming lunch is heavy, wala na akong pa-dinner sa kanila. Ito na lang kung gusto nila kumain ng dinner roll, meron pa rin steak, meron vegetables, and meron pa rin kaming, what do you call the one that I cooked the other night? Loaf? Meatloaf. Yes. I have my meatloaf, guys. Try my meatloaf too. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and click the notification bells. Cheers! Thank you for watching. This is Jennifer. Please subscribe, like, and click the notification bell. Comment below if you like to comment and if you want to bake my pandesal. Sa ating bread naman, ganito ang ginawa ko. Sa stand mixer ko na nilagay ang aking yeast mixture. First, ang milk, water, and lagyan mo siya ng yeast. 2 tablespoons of yeast. And then, ilagay mo na ang wet. See? Egg, and meron kang sugar, and meron kang oil. Ilagay ninyo yan dyan siya lahat para kasama na siya sa ating mixture. And then leave it there for around 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. Or tingnan ninyo guys, dahil pag medyo bula na ang ating yeast, so that means ready na siya. And that's the time na i-add ninyo ang inyong flour. Sa aking flour dito, meron akong 5 cups of flour. Pero ang ginawa ko ay 4 muna ang na-mix ko. And after that, last minute ko na nilagay ang 1 cup para yung mga dumidikit sa tabi-tabi guys ay matanggal ni flour, di ba? Para buong-buo talaga siya. So ganyan, very simple lang siya. You have to leave it for an hour to rise. So, after ma-rise na siya guys, you take it out and lagyan nyo siya ng soft na butter, 3 to 4 tablespoons of butter. And then, ganito ang gagawin ninyo. You have to knead and knead and knead more. Mga siguro 10 to 15 minutes i-knead ninyo siya guys. Hanggat makuha ninyo ang texture na ganyan. And then, after that, you have to form your dinner rolls. So, ito ng ating dinner rolls. I-rise ninyo siya guys for the second time. Mga 25 to 30 minutes lang siya. And after that, i-bake ninyo siya ng 15 minutes for 380 degrees. So,